Dumelang, welcome to another episode of Unscripted. My name is Matawe Matsapola. Music is a universal language and Kim Monada is a living proof of that. I mean, Munao has got the whole country fainting. But Mapodisa, Manese, Masole, Kadi officing, DJs, celebrities, everybody is fainting. So today we want to talk to him. We want to see if he's also going to faint. Rawamhela Kimunada. Legay. Ron. Ngo idiba chaba. Tudiala. Ngo what's my idiba?
Yeah, agreement no retrail daga something yan sugaru. But bagasi chakada December ya. Rara kumana rara.
So what taka idiba? Wow, really wow idiba. Inspired le king koshay king uchi vela wa tuthenetsa king mo ngale koshay ya udibala.
Yeah, normally like the jokes like I'm introducing. So kendo dujiwa then kazana mu Facebook because little things like that about like nam fun. So once we post something that's fun ba fela one tag or one or kono ngara post there. So no kazana mo la kumalo ne someone who posted something Maragada with their Idiba or one. So now talking about a bit again, I really try something different because Limpopo was about every year hit your one so then I should start the way Idiba. So Ganam
yeah, Tomago. But what busy by Dibala or no plus thing about your Missibara, little lady Bala. What's going on? We saw at everywhere.
Yeah, no, get commonly like the Fenajin, Bambu Jarne, observing what anybody is ready by every week. So, every so, you know, because of the Bambu gave you
Maramulai jauh ring, what I know, by the long way like a Jamisa. Yeah, don't you think over they recklessly fainting?
Yeah, no, Garbo, but then must I never work a driver, must I never work a beer.
Mara kita Dibala utsoreleba to Kenya, utsoreleba to China. Even though booking si Jawa UK, Gawi Diba. Take us through that. How do you feel about that?
No, because I get too much like a young tracker because it wants improvement. Yeah, I want to say, Oslam or Felabino, yeah, Codelela, what Trusa. Because when I name like Limpopo as the artist, like especially the big one. So in a much I'm not you
generally bring Fitamobe no Honanas to work to Fitamobe no Hono making Monada popular all over South Africa, like and South Africa, generally
no, give me one.
What did you would you consider over a stand-up comedian over into that comedy?
As a comedy, as you really know, and then you know, consider
you come across as a shy person. How do you deal with crowd, deal with fame? Everybody a piece of you. Are you shy or get act? It's one of act before creative.
No, I was thinking come music in staging like the now I'm not because staging gets crowding a guy in the so but then staging then I can move
to shy. Okay. Kimona da woji mutu wamfutamani obonyuko bayini obonyuko dia eni eno obonyuko bahona oboke bona wisabona.
No, I'm talking the family, music, yeah. So I'm talking about music because I don't mind the band. Yeah, I'm not band. So if I'm more than a child, then what I'm like push out. Yeah, so music is trying to be developed and put them on and we can put them on like big artist.
Go to Hamo, Herfeta Widiba, after Widiba, after fainting, where do you go?
Yeah, you know, the Dombona, the Valentine, but no, like after Widiba, especially second music, music videos, like for example, first did my drone after Widiba, all day.
You seem to have a talent. You capture the country, not even Limpopo. You're not restricted to capture what's Limpopo fela because music is so universal. Every time December 8th, Kimona will capture, I will take over December. Are you hoping to get the award?
Yeah, I think because I got once it became a legacy drone, then Jawder two soda rebellion, so to do it two soda rebellion because the defensive can push out much more to the so once I got there two soda rebellion, which is about this time
di hora diga pengen dibuela kasta again.
Yeah.
Do you malwede we wanna look how long kaya na zena ka hara 2019 ga malwede to bari dibala.
Yeah, if it depends on yourself, why not now? What's in the yet no job.
Kimunada guys, Maranda can challenge Kimunada. Kenya Gaidiba, he's getting everybody to faint. People are fainting in the offices, people are fainting everywhere they are. Even the Bobo pensioning, Gomutending, lining, faint. So Kimunada are fainting on him now. Arboning, the fainting.
I can see I don't sorry, but maybe in a young Nari no lima. Okjona linna okraloge gantala nani no lima rede wantala udusu samarede ai kule gino lebulo de biawiri.
Oh that was King Munada, guys. Thank you so much for coming through.
Makwela munada